Have you ever felt this pain? You know thousands of English words, you understand movies, you can write good sentences, but when you try to speak, your brain freezes. You start translating from your language, and by the time you finish translating, the conversation is already over. Today I'm going to show you the exact method I use to completely stop translating and force my brain to think in English 24/7. This is not theory. This is what I did for 21 days, and it changed my English forever. 3 years ago, I was exactly like you. I studied English for 12 years. I had good marks, but every time someone asked me a simple question, I would panic. My mind would first create the sentence in my mother tongue, then translate word by word. It was so slow, I felt stupid. I hated speaking English. One day I made a decision. I will force my brain to think only in English, no matter how hard it is. I did one simple experiment for 21 days, and the result was crazy. I'm going to give you that exact 5-step system right now. Step 1. The morning voice hack. The first thing I did every morning was change my inner voice. From the moment I opened my eyes, I started talking to myself in English only, not long sentences, very simple ones. I need to get up. I'm going to brush my teeth. The water is cold. I feel tired today. For the first 3 days, it felt stupid. I wanted to switch back to my language, but I forced myself. By day 7, my brain started doing it automatically. This is the most powerful habit. Do this for just 10 minutes every morning. Step 2. The walking description method. Whenever I walked to work or school, I described everything I saw, out loud or in my mind. That woman is wearing a red dress. The bus is late again. I can smell food from that shop. The sky looks cloudy. This trains your brain to connect real life with English words without translating. Most people only study English from books, but life is the best teacher. Start describing your world in English every single day. Step 3. Kill long sentences. This was a game changer. In my language, we love long, beautiful sentences, but English loves short and direct. So I made a new rule. Never think more than 7 to 8 words at a time. Instead of, I am feeling extremely exhausted because I had so many responsibilities today, I forced myself to think, I'm so tired. Today was long. I need rest. When you think short, you speak fast, and fast speaking equals fluency. Step 4. The phone immersion trick. I changed my entire phone language to English. WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, everything. Then I started doing 3 small things every day. 1. Write my shopping list in English 2. Send voice notes to myself in English 3. Write my diary, even 3 lines, in English. This creates artificial immersion. Your brain has no choice but to use English. Step 5. The night review, most important. Every night before sleeping, I closed my eyes and reviewed my day, completely in English. Today I woke up at 6. I drank coffee. I met my friend. We talked about work. I felt happy. This is when your brain locks the English patterns. Do this for 5 to 7 minutes every night. After 14 days, English starts becoming your thinking language. After 21 days of doing these 5 steps, something magical happened. I was talking to a foreigner. He asked me a question, and for the first time in my life, I answered immediately. No translation, no freeze, just pure English thoughts. I almost cried because I finally felt free. You can feel the same freedom. If you want this transformation too, do these 5 steps starting from tomorrow morning, and comment below right now. I'm starting day 1. I will personally reply to every comment and motivate you. Also, if this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more powerful English methods. I'll see you in the next video. Let's make English your second nature. Take care of yourself.